Hello friends, welcome back to another travel vlog. So in this vlog I have captured beautiful scenarios from my trip to Goa. Goa is a place full of beautiful beaches in western India with its coastline stretching along the Arabian Sea. So we went on by car which took us 10 hours and 580 kilometers to cover. But it was not hectic at all as the national highway NH48 and NH67 are really smooth. This is the famous Agonda Beach in South Goa. So I booked this amazing beach hut which is just in front of the Agonda Beach and it costed me around 5,800 per night. The room was beautiful, it also had AC service in it. And this was the view from my room. The bathroom is also quite clean and big, and there are also cupboards provided inside the room to keep your clothes. This was the view just in front of my room. The beaches were full of chairs and tables so that you can sit and relax. So the next day we started heading towards North Goa, which is 75 kilometers, and it took 2 hours from South Goa. The streets, churches, areas of Goa still have evidences of the colonial rule by Portuguese in the 1961. After reaching North Goa, we first visited the Aguara Fort, which is famous for its ocean view. Visiting the Aguada Fort, we headed towards Candolim Beach, which is yet another famous beach of Goa. So we took a speedboat ride from where we saw the Aguada jail of Goa, as you can see on the left side. So next I headed towards shopping, and as you can see there are beautiful shops near the Candolim Beach selling various things like bags, dresses, beachwear which range from 400 to 1500 rupees, and you can also bargain as well. So after getting a few things for myself, I headed towards the most famous beach of Goa, that is the Baga Beach. Baga Beach is most famous for its nightlife and it stays crowded most of the time. There is paid parking also beside Baga Beach, so you can bring your own vehicle also freely, there is no issue. And there are many hotels, restaurants and shops for shopping as well. There are beautiful shacks which are located throughout the beach. Next, I visited the Palolem Beach, and the main attraction of this beach is kayaking and other water sports as well. And there are beaches just in front of the beach, so if you are a beach person, this would also be a perfect place for you to stay. Also, don't miss out on the sunset view, which you can see around 6:30 p.m. in the evening. People of Goa are very nice and welcoming. Language is not an issue over here because everyone understands English and Hindi. Restaurants, shacks and pubs are well lit up at night in North Goa. You can enjoy your favorite drink with your favorite dish anywhere. Almost every shack have good food in them.
No baby, la